This video is about jog lines. The jog line tool is used to create a rectangular shape in a line. Access the jog line tool by clicking Tools, Sketch Tools, and Jog Line. Click a point on the line and drag the cursor away from the line. Click a point to define the approximate size of the jog. A preview of the jog will appear. Repeat the process as necessary. Use the Smart Dimension tool to define the location and depth of the jog. Right-click the mouse and click the OK option. If you like video, press like and share. Have any question, comment below. Try to answer you. To learn SolidWorks beginning to advanced level, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.